Ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's unlock the power of StanStore for affiliate marketing and supercharge your income. First, head over to StanStore and create your account. It's your all-in-one platform for building your brand and promoting your favorite products. Link your social media accounts for easy access and audience reach. Now, the fun part. In the Products tab, add the affiliate products you want to promote. Include high-quality images and compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits. Don't forget to paste your unique affiliate link from your affiliate program, so you get credit for every sale. Customize your storefront to reflect your brand. Choose a theme, add your logo, and write a captivating bio. This is your digital storefront, so make it inviting. Promote your StanStore link everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. The more eyes on your store, the more potential customers. Track your results in the analytics dashboard. See what's working and what's not, so you can optimize your strategy. Focus on what is selling the best and why. And that's it. With StanStore, affiliate marketing becomes streamlined and more effective. Get ready to watch your revenue soar. #StanStore #affiliate marketing.